It's been too long, so here's a quick update from the Littlefield hugelkultur. I'll be entirely honest with you. I really don't know what these wildflowers are. They must have been left from last year's, but I do have some black-eyed Susans over on the backside. As you can see here, my zucchinis are beginning to ripen. Some don't like to pick them when they're bigger, but I personally think that they're just as edible and pack as much flavor. We've also got some of the butternut squash beginning to fruit. We have a variety of tomatoes, and you may notice that there's a significant amount of weeds growing around my garden. I'll be honest, I let most of them stay. There's clovers, which bring nitrogen up from the soil, and you'll notice this here. This is called Milk Thistle. It actually helps attract a lot of the bugs. It's identifiable primarily from the serrated edges around the leaves, and it kind of acts like an antenna that draws a lot of the insects and pests away from your other plants. Gotten a good amount of blackberries off of my Navajo bush. Here's a few more on the vine, you can see. And here's one of the taller thistles. Once they get about human size, they sort of start to die off. And lastly, we've got the peppers and watermelons, which I'm growing vertical this year. So I'm using chicken wire as a trellis, and I have found a use for all of these old face masks, just to sort of provide some extra support. I look forward to uploading new content soon. Until then, have a blessed summer.